So look at what Tim Jenkins sent to me here. This is an old golf hole sponsor of the Jerome Brown Classic. And he sent this picture here of JB. Really awesome. Tim Jenkins, one of Jerome's best friends from home. Look at this here on the back, too. Goes here. By the way, I'm going to put it up. Look at all the Eagle names. Seth Joyner. All those guys. And he wanted me to have it. He knew how much Jerome and I loved one another. That's what the Kane fraternity is all about right there. Proud to have played next to this guy. There's Mark Carrier on here, former Buccaneer teammate of mine. Really cool. Thank you very much. Very cool. Thank you for sending this.